Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys also very much for joining me today. Today I want to bring you this little beauty box. This is I think it's called a Dora box. I saw this on TikTok. These are all mystery boxes, so what the person on TikTok got can be completely different or completely the same as my box. This little box was £10 plus $3.25 delivery. Never ever heard of them before, and I decided why not buy it and check it out. So the box is completely sealed. I just need to open it. Oh, right here. Oh my gosh, this did not make it easy for me to open at all. I'm just going to do it here. Okay, and inside the box, this is what we've got. Guys, for this box, I've got this huge big box here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. 6 items, I think, is pretty good, I guess, depending upon what we got. I love the color of this box. I think that's out and out what made me buy this box. So we're going to go ahead and have a look and see what we got. So this is a Dicha, a liquid eyebrow pen. The boxes are, it's burnt sienna, I think. Boxes are really, really big. And let's see, oh my gosh, we can't get inside. Okay, this is our little first one. It says, please stand the felt tip downwards for 5 seconds. Make sure the product glides smoothly. So this is what it looks like. And okay, so this is just the little eyebrow. It almost looks like you've had your eyebrows bladed. So that's pretty neat. It's our first little item. I'm not unhappy with that. And that is a really, really good color for me. The next Dora product is a liquid eyebrow pen. Again, in burnt sienna. I think this is exactly the same thing. Again, really not upset with that. Yep, it's exactly the same one. I don't know why they would put 2 products in that are the same. Actually, they put in 3. So I have 3 burnt sienna. I'm really not upset about that because I will use those. So that's actually not that bad. So that's pretty good. In the bottom of the box, we have this these are hefty little product. This is, okay, well, whatever they are, we have 2 different colors. Thank goodness. We have a peach puff and a princess pink. I don't think it tells me. Does it tell me? Oh, okay. So this is a liquid blush in matte velvety. So we have a liquid blush. We have 2 liquid blushes. Liquid blush I never use. That's okay. I can donate these. Let's just have a look at the color. This is and guys, I'm not going to test these out because I do not want it to be contaminated. I'm literally going to take it out so you can see the color because these are not the colors for me. If you guys can see that a bit better. I mean, it almost looks like the same color as my hand, but some people will really love that color, and I'm totally fine with donating this little item. Again, I don't ever wear blush. That's okay. This is in the shade Pink Princess. I'm really, really happy with the microblading eye pencils, liquid eyebrow pens. This is a pink color. So let's have a look at this one. Not a bad pink shade. Again, I don't wear liquid blush, but I do know people who do, or I can donate it. So that is not a bad little product. So we got 5 of our products. Unfortunately, 3 of those products were the same, and I'm really sad about that. I'm not sad about it because I will use it, but it would have been better if we had got a lip pencil or an eyeliner, something like that. What I do like about these little, I just tried to rub this off my hand, and they don't smudge. There is no smudging going on with this eye pencil at all. Which I think is phenomenal. And then the last item that we got is this. In it is a matte liquid lipsticks. Dora. Love this packaging. I think this packaging it just looks so colorful. I really, really like it. So let's see if we can get this thing opened. Oh, here we go. And this is a big box for a lipstick, but let's see what we got. Open. Push that box out of the way. Oh, okay. We didn't get one lipstick. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6. 6 lipsticks. And let's have a look at these lipsticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 6. We got the shade, I'll just show you guys. We got the shade Rose Mauve, which is this color. Nice. I'm just going to pop them back into the little container as I go along. We got the shade Brown Glory, which sounds lovely, which is this color. This is actually, I probably will keep this color. This is actually a stunning color. Stunning. I love this color. I will probably end up keeping that myself. I'm going to put the ones that I think I'll keep on this end and the ones I don't think I'll use on this end. We got a Nude Essence, which is another color I think I would like. So I'm going to test it out. Let's have a look at this color. And we'll pop that one. We'll pop that one right here. Wow. This is my shade. This Nude Essence is definitely one for me. Beautiful. I love that one. We'll pop it right down here. The next one that we have is Peach King. And this is it. And the glass is plastic container is frosty. So you guys can't really see it. But let's do this. Oh, also a gorgeous nude color. I'm loving that. And we'll pop that one in here because I potentially will be keeping those. The other two are definitely not my colors, but I will show you what they look like. It's this color right here, which is, let's have a look inside and see what it says. It is the Dusk Pink, which is adorable. And then you have, the last one that I got was Wood Rose. Let's have a look at what Rose Wood looks like, which looks like this one. Not my color, which is totally fine. We'll just pop that in. So guys, in total, I got a ton of product. I got 2 liquid blushes, which are full size, both full size. I got 6 matte liquid lipsticks, all full size, and I got 3 eyebrow pins, which again, this still has not rubbed off, which is awesome. I mean, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 11 full size products for the £10 I paid for the box and whatever the shipping was. I still think that is an excellent price. Again, I found this by accident on TikTok. So if you guys were interested, you can definitely jump on TikTok and search Dicha. I think it's Dicha Dora. And I think this is a phenomenal offer. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. The packaging is so vibrant. It will really catch your eye. I think that's what made me buy this box. But I love this box. I think it's fantastic. I don't think I would buy this box again very soon because I probably would get the same products. But I will keep my eye on the store. And if they do have any other mystery boxes that are different, I definitely will purchase and show you guys. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I really, really hope you enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe. You guys always are awesome with sharing my videos, so I greatly appreciate it. But in the interim, and until I see you next time, I'm going to say bye, everybody. Bye.